Rebecca, breakfast!
Oh, wow. What is the occasion?
No occasion, honey. I just thought I'd make pancakes.
Oh. Cool. Blueberries.
Actually, it was your dad's idea.
Hey, what are you still doing here? Shouldn't you be on your way to work by now?
Oh, I have a late meeting this side of town. So, I thought it would be nice to have breakfast as a family.
Okay, whatever. You guys are acting weird. I thought I might have gotten kicked out of school again.
No.
Oh, good. Someone here?
I didn't hear anything.
I think that might be the gardener. Let me just check.
Okay.
Did you want a glass of milk, maybe?
Yeah, sure. Orange juice is okay, too.
Sentinel services. Keep your hands where we can see them, Miss Hoover.
Dad, what are they doing here? Mom?
Just stay calm, Miss Hoover.
You called them. You called them, didn't you?
Back away from the door.
No.
Free. Stay right there.
No! No! Mom!
On the ground.
Take me home!
What choice did you give us, Rebecca? I'm sorry we had to do this, but you nearly killed your teacher.